So Michael and I went away for a couple of days, y'all. We could not believe what we came home to. Savannah doesn't get snow, y'all. We got so much snow, and I didn't go out the house for like 2 days because I was scared. I was scared I was going to fall because you know how everything gets real slick with ice? Well, I finally got brave this afternoon. And I said, I want to go outside, Eddie, and walk around. And when I got out there, it was so powdery and beautiful. I said, I want to do a snow angel. And I laid down in the snow, and just as I was making my wings, we lost connection. But it did show me getting up from making my angel wings, y'all. And I told Eddie, just walking around, I said, I want some snow cream so bad. I want some snow cream so bad. And so guess what, y'all? I went outside, got me a bucket, and looked for white snow. And look what I have. I am going to make ice cream. And all you need is snow and sweetened condensed milk. Now, I don't know how much of that I'm going to need. I'm just going to have to eyeball it. It may take the whole can for this. And I'm going to put a dash of vanilla. Now, some people, you know, we started walking down memory lane this afternoon. And so y'all were telling me what y'all do with snow. And one girl said, well, her daddy used to just sprinkle sugar on it and get it sweet. And some people said that they would just pour syrup over their snow. But if y'all got some snow, I want y'all to try this sweetened condensed milk because it's good. And let me tell you, when you get your snow, you need to make your ice cream immediately then. Well, I couldn't do that today. I just couldn't get it done. So I had to put mine in the freezer. And naturally, it froze back in a big old block. But I said, I ain't letting it get me. I put it in my food processor. So I had snow again. Oh, and this is where I like my ice cream, almost like half melted, Eddie. All right, here we go. You ready?
Milkshake in a bowl.
Yes. And a viewer sent me this ice cream scooper. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's the best one in the world. The whole wide world. All right, Eddie. You want chocolate syrup?
Yes, please.
Okay. Just tell me how much. If I can get it open.
There we go. That's good.
Yum. I'm going to eat half vanilla, and then I'm going to come back and get me some chocolate. Now, my helping maybe, I see a little speck of something brown. But you know what? I always was told that God made dirt, and dirt don't hurt. So it might have been a little dirt. Come on, Eddie. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Isn't it good?
Mm-hmm. It's like a slushy.
Uh-huh. It's so good when that snow is like powder. But maybe tomorrow I can gather some more snow.
Could add some Coca-Cola or root beer to it.
Oh my gosh, a Coke float.
Mm.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's so good. So if y'all make this, collect your snow, come directly inside, and pour that sweetened condensed milk over it. And you think you's eating bluebell. Ooh, I'm getting a throat freeze, Eddie. Bye, y'all. Love and best dishes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.